Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all a special diet plan with the help of which you can easily lose 12 kgs very quickly. This is a very easy to go, affordable and super nutritious diet plan to help you lose 12 kgs very easily and quickly. Recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a huge transformation happening for themselves, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started how easily you can lose 12 kgs with this diet plan. Starting with the early morning drink, for which we'll have coriander seeds water. Now there are tremendous health benefits of coriander seeds water, how easily it helps you to lose weight, and also people suffering from constipation or thyroid issues should definitely start consuming coriander seeds water every single day to see a great change happening in themselves and also to see a good skin and hair health benefits as well. The recipe is super simple. All you have to do is simply add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds to 1 glass of water, boil it for 2 to 3 minutes and have it sip by sip empty stomach. You can see the health benefits quickly and easily. 30 minutes after this drink, you should always start consuming some nuts. Now when I talk about nuts, it's always soaked nuts. So 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts and 1 anjeer. Now this basically helps to improve your brain health to the next level. Also people suffering from any kind of constipation, anjeer does the work here, and even the diabetic patients can enjoy it. And now let's proceed towards our breakfast options for this diet plan, how easily you can lose 12 kgs with this. Starting with the first option for breakfast, which is of course smoothies. Now lots and lots of my clients ask the recipes of smoothies, and here are all the recipes which you can enjoy in every season of your choice with all the fruit benefits, and also they keep you fuller for the longer time of the day as well. Now my personal favorite of all is apple banana peanut butter smoothie, now which basically keeps me full for at least 4 to 5 hours for the next time, and also a number lower on the scale next morning is definite. So super easy to prepare. All you have to do is simply add apple, peanut butter, banana, oats with some almond milk and blend it to a smoothie consistency and enjoy your tasty delicious breakfast option. Second option is for all my sandwich lovers out there. Whoever wants to have a good sandwich in their breakfast and are very keen on making it quickly, so here is a recipe of my paneer sandwich which includes very minimal ingredients and lots of fiber and protein into it. I'm using here 2 slices of multigrain bread. You can use any bread of your own choice. Add cucumber, tomato, some mustard sauce, paneer and some Greek yogurt and some mint chutney as well. Grill it well and have it with your cup of tea or coffee or green tea as per your own choice and enjoy your tasty, delicious, healthy breakfast. Third option is for all my oats lovers out there. Now why oats for breakfast? Because it is good fiber, good calcium, good protein, and also the way you prepare it makes it all delicious and yummy. Now here is the complete recipe of my oatmeal with fruits, which gives you lots and lots of fiber, fruits, antioxidants with seeds and tastes super delicious. So you can check out the oatmeal with fruits recipe and enjoy it for your breakfast. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack, which comes between breakfast and lunch, for which I'll be giving you 2 options. The first option is my personal favorite and works wonders for skin benefits. You can have at least 1 orange during your 11 a.m. time, or you can even have 1 orange juice as per your own preference, but make it fresh, not the packaged one at all. Consuming vitamin C during this time works wonders for skin benefits and collagen boosting properties as well. Second option, if you cannot have this, then you can always have 1 coconut water fresh. Now always make sure it's fresh and not the packaged one, which is readily available in the local vendors, so you can have it fresh and enjoy the electrolyte content of coconut water and gives you good hydration benefits as well. Proceeding towards our lunch options for this diet plan, and as usual 30 minutes before our lunch we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is simply mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well and have it sip by sip empty stomach, that is 1 hour before your lunch. Avoids any kind of blood sugar level spikes when it comes to your food intake, or also helps to boost your metabolism to the next level, so you can enjoy having your apple cider vinegar 1 hour before your lunch. Now let's proceed towards our lunch options for this diet plan. For lunch options, I'll be giving you 2 options for roti lovers and rice lovers both. Whoever loves to have roti during this season can always enjoy having either missy roti recipe or oats beetroot roti recipe. Now both the recipes are already up on my channel. You can check out the recipes mentioned and they're super easy and super yummy to prepare as well. You can enjoy it with any seasonal sabzi or curry or even eggs or chicken as per your own preference, and have a good full bowl of salad along with it and curd for probiotics, and this makes a good wholesome meal and is yummy in each and every manner as well. And now second option is for all my rice lovers out there. Whoever wants to have rice during their lunch can have rice, but always make sure to switch to either brown rice or you can even have white rice, but let's make sure that it's small portion, not too much of it, and include a good protein option along with it like paneer sabzi, or you can even have chicken curry, egg curry, curry, fish curry, or white chana, or any kind of pulses like rajma, black chana, or you can even have dal along with it. But make sure to have good full bowl of salad and curd. It gives you good amount of fiber and fuller feeling as well. So you can have these recipes for your lunch. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack options, which comes between lunch and dinner. If you feel hungry during this time, you can always have a cup of tea or coffee if you like having it, or you can simply have 1 cup of green tea or 1 cup of detox matcha tea. Now you know that 1 cup of detox matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. The antioxidant level is super high and super yummy in nature as well. So you can follow these recipes for your mid-evening snack option. Along with that, you can have 30 grams of roasted peanuts, or you can even have 30 grams of roasted makhanas. Now makhanas are good in vitamin C, calcium, E, K, and definitely good for joints as well. So you can follow these recipes and enjoy the health benefits of it. Proceeding towards our dinner options for this diet plan, which can easily help you lose 12 kgs very quickly, is chia pudding. Now whoever is suffering from constipation and feels very hard to freshen up themselves in the morning, definitely try out this chia pudding recipe, which includes lots of fruits in it, and chia seeds are great in calcium, protein, and fiber as well. So you can try out this recipe and enjoy the health benefits of it, which is super easy to prepare and also very yummy as well. Along with that, you can add lots of fruit of your own choice. I'm adding here strawberries. You can add any fruit of your own choice, whichever is available with you. Apple, banana, even you can add 1 teaspoon of peanut butter to it and enjoy your tasty, delicious dinner option. Second option is for all my high protein options lover out there. So you can have either paneer tikka or chicken tikka, or you can even have soya tikka. The recipe of my paneer tikka is yet again up on my channel, which is super easy to prepare in the air fryer as well, or you can even prepare it on normal pan or grill pan as well. It requires very minimal time to prepare. You can even meal prep it before, and super easy to prepare as well. The recipe is completely up on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients, and you can follow it A to Z. You can use air fryer or grill pan as per your own choice. Along with that, you can have good full bowl of salad along with it, and make sure to add lots of veggies grilled along with it. You can even replace paneer with chicken or fish or soya as per your own preference, and enjoy the health benefits of high protein dinner option with this recipe. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink option for this diet plan, of course we'll have either cup of chamomile tea, which helps relieve the stress of the entire day and promotes good sleep benefits as well. If you cannot have this, then you can always switch to having 1 cup of either ajwain water or jeera water. Now both of these things are great for weight loss and fat loss as well. Now people suffering from any kind of constipation issues or any kind of water retention, bloating, or swelling in the body can try out ajwain jeera water for night and see a good change happening in their symptoms as well. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to help you with the hydration properties and also remove all the bad toxins from your body super easily. If you want personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. If you like my video, please like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, how my clients reduce weight every single day, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.